pineapple and beetroot juice are packed with nutrients and have many health benefits. 1. Pineapple juice is rich in vitamin C, bromelain, and antioxidants. These nutrients may help boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. 2. Beetroot juice is high in nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide can help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and enhance athletic performance. When combined, these juices can create a delicious and nutritious blend that offers a wide range of health benefits. Drinking pineapple and beetroot juice may help support overall health and wellness, boost energy levels, and promote healthy skin, hair, and nails. Additionally, pineapple and beetroot juice are natural sources of hydration, making them a great choice for staying hydrated throughout the day. I respectfully and humbly ask you to support me by subscribing so that I can prepare the videos that I bring to you every day.